Hello everyone, today I have the October 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag. This is the $12 a month one. This is what the bag looks like. I think it's really cool this month, and then it says Your Magic on the back. And this was on the outside of the makeup bag. It's a brush from SL Miss Glam. Very pretty. And it's a round blush brush. Open this up. And I especially love the little moon and star there. And then the theme this month is Your Magic. And it does tell what everything is. And the SL Miss Glam P40 round blusher brush is full size, and the MSRP is $18.50. So there's that. The first thing I'm pulling out of the makeup bag is this It Lash Blowout Mascara. And this is deluxe size. The full size is 7 ml and retails for $25. And this is 3 ml. So the next thing I am pulling out is this, and this is what I picked. It's the Allure Beauty Astral Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow, and it's wrapped in plastic as well. And this is full size, and the MSRP is $20. I figured I'd get this because the other ones from Orza that I have aren't this one, and the purple is cute, so I figured I'd try this. Swatch them. These are the top two, and these are the bottom two. But that looks like. And these are the swatches. Kinda but swatches don't really mean anything, so it might work better on the eyes. And it might be buildable. I just didn't feel like going in another time, and now it doesn't close right. So the plastic that was around there was keeping it closed. But anyways, it does not close. Next thing is from Essence, and it is Pure Nude Highlighter, and this is a deluxe sample, and the full version is worth $9.99. Let's see if I can get this open. And this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not, so I'm not going to swatch it. And it has a magnetic closure. And the last thing I am pulling out is from Pistachio Skincare, and it's a pistachio oil, pistachio body butter. This is what it looks like. I like the smell of pistachio, so hope that it smells good. And this is a deluxe sample, and the full size version is $28. Just sniff this and see. Yes, that smells delicious. So I got this body butter, scented in pistachio, the SL Miss Glam blush brush, the Essence highlighter, the Orza Beauty Astral Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow Quad, and the It Cosmetics Mascara. And that's all I have for you guys. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.